Welcome back. Let's showcase your product visually using the video block in aBlocks. Open a page in the Gutenberg editor. Click the plus icon, search for video block, and insert it into your content. Next, click on the settings icon to access the video block settings and start customizing. Choose your video source, platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or upload a self-hosted video file. If your video source is self-hosted, upload your video or select one from the media library. Next, let's use YouTube as the video source. Paste your YouTube video link. And you're ready to customize further. Here, you can set a start time and an end time to display specific parts of the video. Let's customize the video options. Turn Autoplay on or off. Enable mute or unmute during video playback. Set the video to loop. Enable or disable the player controls for a clean look. From the Style section, pick the video aspect ratio to match your design perfectly. Now, hit Save to apply all your changes. Here's the preview of the beautifully customized video, and there you have it, a sleek and professional video block with aBlocks. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next video.